So I returned from Texas with the smell of dog on me, and somebody wasn't having it. Welcome to Max's Models. I'm Max. Well, hello, Glue Troopers. Max here, and I am back from Texas. It was a secret surprise family birthday. That's why I couldn't let anything out online, but it's all done. Great party. Went out to the Johnson Space Center, as you saw in the other video. And we came back on my old alma mater, Mesa Airlines, United Express. And everything pretty much went okay. I had a great time while I was there. Made some new friends. Spent some time with family. Just it was a great visit. And as soon as I got home, my wife showed me that she had acquired this Christopher Pine Captain Kirk, which fit perfectly on the shelf. And she got a real good deal on it. These things usually run a lot, and she managed to get a nice deal on it. And it goes perfectly with the display. Just got to be careful because when I close the door, sometimes it wants to flop over. The next order of business was to get right into the models. I promptly got to work catching up on all the videos and the pictures and everything, working on the videos and start cranking out the models and stuff. And I also managed to finish off my second insurance build. I wound up putting bullpup missiles on the Skyhawk. This photo is actually a little before it was done, so that's not a final photo. But when I was going through my emails, this was sent to me by a Glue Trooper, which was pretty adorable. It's from 1978, and it's for an AMT model contest. Now, of course, AMT is one of the kit companies that's more or less survived, but I was looking at this going, man, they must have really been getting desperate to offer some of the prizes they were offering. I mean, admittedly, it's not the real live Gemini capsule from Revell, but I think they were targeting adults more on this, which would make sense because I think by the late 70s, they realized that young kids weren't building models so much anymore. It was the older kids or that sort of, I think it's when we started transitioning to more adult builders. And so I cobbled together this little 70s pop song to kind of, and I'll just go scroll slowly over this thing and highlight some of the parts so you can read it. It's pretty impressive. I imagine it got them sold a lot of model kits. But anyway, I got a ton of things to do. Busy, both modeling and not modeling. So I got to get to that. You guys take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you later. And as always, model on.
Busy. Need a vacation. Down at the shelf by the glue, the chrome guys lost their shine. Little hands ran past the box for toys that moved in time. The cars sat still in their plastic beds. The rockets missed the race. And the grown-up man in aisle 10 kept smiling with a salesman's face. So they called in a bigger plan with a glittering little dream. Said if the kids won't stay all day, we'll pull the grown-ups in. Prize box heart, come and win your way in. Prize box heart, let the jackpot love begin. Coupons on the back of every bomber and boat. Build for glory, build for keeps, in a polished little note. A tool set bright in a velvet tray, a trophy with a name. They figured if the box looked rich, the crowd would play the game. And the men at the counter swore this time they had the clue. Give them something they can use and watch the order the jackpot love begin. A real good watch, a framed up print, prize box heart, prize box heart. That's how they tried to stay in it. But paper dreams get stained by hands, and winners still move on. The kids wanted faster thrills by the time the acts were drawn. Still one last smile in every kit, one more shot at the door. A grown-up prize, a hopeful pitch, and a little hope for more. Prize box heart, prize box heart, come and win your way in. Prize box heart, let the jackpot love begin. A real good watch, a framed up print, prize box heart, prize box heart. That's how they tried to stay in it.
Remember, kids, do not send the actual model. Pictures only, please. Thank you, and model on.